how much I made in dividends this month, and this is an invest with me, so we will use the dividend tracker. I wanted to make a video about this because I know a lot of people are curious about dividends, dividend growth, and high dividend yield stocks, and I'm showing you how much you can make when you use a combination of dividend ETFs and different dividend paying companies that are long-term investing plays. So the first one we have is SPHD. This is S&P 500 dividend ETF from Invesco, and I got $28.45. So let's do this together. So we're going to go to the dividend tracker and just track this. SPHD is currently at $43.24. So I'm going to add this in. I update this weekly, so you don't have to worry about updating this. And my average cost basis is $40. So we're going to copy and paste here. I currently have 100 shares. So that's going to give me capital appreciation of $324. Going to copy and paste the total gain percentage. So far capital appreciation is up about 8%. And then the yield for this is 4.69%. And this means that you get $1.85 for every share that you own. Again, we're going to copy and paste. So I will be getting $185 for SPHD for the year. Ex-dividend date is April 22nd. Pay date is April 26th. And I just like looking at that just to make sure that I actually got the dividends. And I will have all of this updated this week. As I said, it's been a little bit rough. And then I can just put notes over here as I deem fit. And then we also have the months that will pre-populate as well. Okay, and then I got Comcast $31. It says margin because it's in a margin account. I know a lot of you are asking about that. It's just the difference for Fidelity, whether it's in a cash or a margin account. I do have a margin account. No, this is not on margin. This is in cash because I have a margin account and I have a Roth IRA that does not have margin in it. So this was $31 from Comcast. Then for Sachem Capital, which is a volatile play, is 89 cents, $1.10. Then I also have Stag. They're best known as a real estate investment trust, and they mostly are warehouses for Amazon. That's kind of what they're mostly known for. They've been having a little bit of turbulence because Amazon's been like, hey, we don't really need that many warehouses right now. So $12.43. And then Realty Income, ticker symbol O, $77. Main Street Capital, which is one of my absolute favorites. They are up about 29% this year, which is insane to me. I love this company. $13.13. Also, they do a lot of special dividends, so I also received $59. EPR is another REIT that is most well known for holding AMC theaters. And I got $28.50 from them. A little bit more Stag. I reinvested my O in Fidelity. You can reinvest. And then I also have Ben Franklin Resources, ticker symbol BEN or Ben. It is a very good dividend stalwart, and I got $4.20 and then another $1.49 from them. I do have AGNC, and I received $48.11 for them. I have another index fund, and JEPI, I got $69.29, $1.63. I also have HP, $27.89. And then I'm also holding, I absolutely love Fidelity. I'm holding their money market, which is SPAXX currently because there are no rate cuts. And this is definitely something good for long-term investors. They currently have a yield of around 5%. So you can forget about CDs that are going for about 5% and just park your money in your brokerage. Like the cash is literally 5% yield. So I would definitely recommend that just so you have more liquidity for when there are interest rate cuts. And there will be, even if it's next year, but you don't want your money tied up when you could be investing it and keeping cash reserves on the side. Got 18 cents from that. Also, I have a CEF, which is PDI and PTY. $7.99, 11 cents, and $6.38 I have Pennant Park floating rate cap, which was 92 cents, $2.67. I have Bank of America, which paid this month, yay, $24. I also sold some puts on those. I have Ares Capital Corporation, which is a great MREIT, $96.72. If you're looking for a high dividend yield, this one is definitely great. Looks like April 1st was a big dividend day for me. And then I have some more PTY and PDI in my account. So overall, not bad. Okay, so it looks like for this month, it was a little low. It was $552.24. So again, not bad. My average is about $1,100 per month. And mostly I'm focusing on dividend growth, high dividend yield. I have a lot in my investment ETFs and I have a lot for options as well. So this is about 25% of my overall portfolio, but it's not too shabby. Let me know in the comments what you would like to know about dividends. If any of the ticker symbols that I discussed that you would like to learn more about, let me know about that. But I hope you really enjoyed this video and it was a little bit educational and informative. This is not financial advice. I'm just letting you know about what I am doing for my portfolio just to hedge it a little bit more and to make it more balanced. And I absolutely love getting income. I love getting capital appreciation. And with that being said, I wish each and every one of you all the happiness, health, and wealth so we can all be millionaires and all be prosperous. I love each and every one of you. Bye, Raylaners.